All right, everybody, Bryce here, coming at you with another real quick crypto market update. Guys, this is a bull market, and if you're not long, you're wrong. I don't know how else to say it. We are above every key sort of trend indicator. Momentum on every time frame is bullish. We have incredible amounts of positive sentiment. I'm starting to get texts from friends and family saying, "Bryce, I think you might have been onto something this whole time about crypto." Now, nobody was texting me like that at the bear market lows when it was the best time to be buying. But of course, everybody is now looking at Bitcoin as it's above $60,000 and trading steadily above $60,000. In fact, since we broke out above $60,000, we haven't even broken back down below it, which is pretty incredible. I mean, even the most bullish people didn't see a move quite like this coming. Ethereum's trading above $3,500 per token. And many altcoins, especially the tokens that are in the AI sector, as many of that we've actually recommended, are pumping, beyond everybody's wildest dreams. So this is a quintessential bull market rally. It is a ton of fun to be participating in, and congratulations, by the way, to all of you who are watching, who have been following along with our trade alerts, following along with all of our live streams and videos, because you are very, very clearly reaping the rewards. In fact, February was my best month ever. Best month ever for my returns. It was just an incredible move. Obviously, I'm elated. And I just know for a fact that all of my followers who have been following along with our trades probably had their best month ever. So if you're kind of wondering, looking at my portfolio and saying, "Oh man, I didn't have my best month ever," well, then you're doing something wrong. Maybe you weren't long enough. Maybe you weren't in the right tokens. We'll talk about how to get access to that stuff in just a bit. But the Bitcoin ETFs have been the main story, right? This has been $500 million after $500 million after $500 million every single day for like the past 30 days practically. Into these ETFs. This is just a generational bid. There's a ton of momentum, and it's not showing many signs of slowing down. In fact, January and February of this year, 2024, which is the fourth halving year, it's better than every prior halving year, 2012, 2016, and 2020, okay? None of those January and Februarys of those halving years have been nearly as positive as this one. Bitcoin was up about 47% January and February. So this is an incredible time. Hopefully you guys are reaping the rewards of all the hard work and all the toil and labor that you guys put forth during the bear market, because now you reap what you sow. I just don't know how else to say it. You reap what you sow. And hopefully you guys were sowing good seeds into those strong altcoins. Again, AI coins, gaming coins, DeFi coins. There's a ton of bullishness going on. So anyhow, guys, that's all I got for you. Just hopefully everybody's having a celebratory meal, celebratory drink, whatever it is this weekend. Treat yourself because you guys deserve it. That's your market update. And also, by the way, if you're not already following along with our trade alerts, our videos, our live streams, all that good stuff and more, fundamental analysis, technical analysis, newsletters, all that good stuff, guys, I got something for you. For $1, that's all I'm asking. $1, I will give you 2 weeks of a trial to Crypt Nation, okay? You could come, you could see what all the good stuff is about. You could see over 10,000 other crypto traders and investors who are making the kinds of returns I'm describing. Come join them, come check it out. Again, that's $1, 2 weeks. Click the link below, click the button. We'll see you inside.